How to renew Facebook Marketplace listings. Renewing your listings can help them reach more potential buyers and stay at the top of the feed. In this guide, I'll show you how to renew your Facebook Marketplace listings step by step. Let's dive in. First, launch your Facebook. Now head towards the menu page. Click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. Now over here, you're gonna find a fun option. Click on the option of Marketplace. Once you're in this page, at the top right corner, you're gonna find this icon. Click on it. With that, you'll land to You page. Now over here, you'll find a fun section. Under Selling, you'll find the option of Quick Actions. Click on that option. Click on the option of Renew. Now in this page, you'll find the list of the items that can be renewed. Check in for the item that you want to renew in this way. After you select the items, click on Renew. With that, the items will be renewed. After renewing your listing, monitor its performance to see if it's getting more views and interactions. If the listing doesn't perform well, consider adjusting the price or promoting the item further. So this is how you can easily renew Facebook Marketplace listings. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.